Welcome to our updated guide on how to enable auto-downloading of audio files using mobile data on WhatsApp. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by having to manually download voice messages or audio clips while on the go, this tutorial is for you. We'll walk you through the simple steps to ensure your audio files are automatically downloaded, even when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in the main chat screen, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find additional options for customizing your WhatsApp experience. Tap on those three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can adjust various aspects of the app. Now scroll down the settings menu until you find the Storage and Data option. This section is crucial for managing how WhatsApp handles your media files and data usage. Once you're in the Storage and Data menu, look for the When Using Mobile Data option. This is where you can specify which types of media should be automatically downloaded when you're using your cellular data connection. In the list of media types, you'll see an option for audio. Simply check the box next to Audio to enable auto-downloading for voice messages and other audio files. After you've made your selection, tap OK to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully enabled auto-downloading for audio files using mobile data on WhatsApp. Now, whenever you receive a voice message or audio clip, it will automatically download, even if you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Remember, this feature can be particularly useful, but it's also important to keep an eye on your data usage. If you have a limited data plan, you might want to be selective about which media types you allow to auto-download. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your seamless WhatsApp audio experience. And don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.